Welcome to WPS Presentation Player Capture tutorial. To record your presentation as a video format, please navigate to the Slideshow tab and click Player Capture. You can also get the option from the status bar. Once you open up the menu, check the voice input, moving path and watermark option to your need. After that, simply start recording. You can also control your video by adding voice input, pausing or re-recording and ending from the lower left menu. Once the recording is finished, it will be saved to your local drive.